Hi, I'm Kirk Konecki here in the construction zone. It's April, the sun is out, and I've got our PTO president, Heather Bennett, with us. Heather, tell about how excited you are to finally see this project.
We are really excited. Here we are in April, and we're able to see all this stuff taking place. We're hearing it, obviously, and we're excited to see the progress that's been made.
Let's check out the new middle school.
This has been really eye-opening. What I love is all the natural light that you're bringing in. The windows are massive. I also like the space in general. There's just a lot of open areas and a lot of top to bottom openness. And you know, the ceiling height really, as I was noticing as well. Great that you're incorporating the neighborhoods as well, because that's been such a good feature for our kids. So I love it. Everybody's really impressed.
Awesome. Let's go check out the primary school.
Struck by is the openness that now the administration has of people entering the building. The security is super improved, which I'm really grateful for. You've also brought in a lot of natural light here. The multi-purpose room has been transformed. There's no more pit there. And I'm also excited about the auditorium as well, that will be easily accessible for anybody that needs access to the stage that can't use stairs. And there are also some really nice features here. The modernization has been great. There's some just really warm wood tones that I think will make a really big difference and help the kind of welcoming all the kids to here next year.
We've had a great time in the construction zone today with our partners, the PTO. I'm so excited that they got to see the buildings. Let's hear what they think.
Got a lot of anticipation for these spaces.
Very excited for the future.
I love the openness and breathing room.
Je ne sais quoi. I have no words.
It's going to be spectacular.
Thrilled for the future.
There is so much sunlight coming in these buildings. It's going to be great.
The kids are going to be so excited to see their new space.
Let's go Braves!